Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like.
Hello beautiful, I hope you are still doing well. If it's your first time here, my name is Pallete. In today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Catrice Prime and Fine Keep Me Matte Long Lasting Oil Free Primer. And for foundation today, I will be using my Yardley Stay Fast foundation, which I'm in the shade MD5W. And to set this foundation, I'm going to go in with my Yardley loose powder in the shade Cuppacino. If you're like me and you put foundation all the way down to your neck, you also want to powder it down as well so that it doesn't sit in between those lines on your neck, if you have them. To highlight and conceal, I will be going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I will mix it in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F13. And while I let my concealer mixture to get tacky, I'm going to go on in and contour using my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F18. Now to set this concealer, I'm going to go in with my sorbet, powder to you, translucent powder, and for my contour, I will go in with my Wet n Wild pressed powder, and I'm in the shade Dark Cafe on that one. Okay beauties, now heading on over to eyes, I will be priming my lid space with my Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock Longwear Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, well, that is something new. I mean, judging by the way it looked in the bottle, I thought it was going to dry like a concealer and just, you know, be a thinner version of what is in the glass bottle. But it has dried almost translucent, and I absolutely cannot wait to see how this eyeshadow primer performs with one of its palettes, actually, because the palette I will be playing in today is my Makeup Revolution with Tammy, the Tropical Carnival palette. So the first shade I will be picking up in this Tropical Carnival palette is this green one right here, and I will be taking it on my Zoeva 221 brush. I'm going to wipe that same Zoeva brush down, and I'm going to blow out this green shade around the outer edges just to make sure that I'm getting a blown out effect. The next shade I will be picking up is this navy one right here, and I will take it on my Zoeva 231 brush. What I'm going to do with this shade is I'm going to apply it directly into my crease. And now to blend out this navy shade, I'm going to go into this light blue one right here on my Zoeva 228 brush. I'm going to use this light blue shade to marry the navy blue into the green. And now I'm going to go back in with the lime green shade over the edges of this eyeshadow look. And now with my Zoeva 231 brush, I'm going to go into the navy shade and smoke out my lower lash line, and I will follow it with the baby blue and green one. And now to cut my crease, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Create. To create a gradient effect on the outer part of my cut crease, I'm going to go in with the navy shade on my Zoeva 231 brush. And for the rest of my mobile lid, I'm going to go into the palette. This time I will be picking up this shimmer navy blue shade right here on this concealer brush. So I've decided to go into my Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here called Saturn, and I'm going to apply it all over where I have that previous blue. Now beauties, can you see the immediate difference that that shade called Satin made? I love how iridescent it is, and I just love how it's complementing the previous shimmer shade that we laid down. And now for liner today, I will be using my Essence Super Last eyeliner in the shade Deep Black. I am definitely feeling extra today since this look turned out so well. I want to take it to the next level, if there is a next level after that. I'm going to go in with this liquid eyeliner. It's this green one, lime green one. I'm going to coat my lashes with my Essence I Love Extreme Lashes mascara, and then I'm going to wear my Note Sarah 60 eyelashes today. And now to set the rest of my face and to get rid of all of this excess powder, I'm going to go in with my Yardley pressed powder in the shade Walnut. And I will use my signature blush today. It's got a reddish hue. And for highlight today, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Face Studio Chrome highlighter. And for lips today, I'm going to opt for a nude lip because my eyes are already, doing the most today. So I don't want to overpower them with a bold lip. So I'm going to use my brown lippy that I got from Legit, and I will pair it with my Makeup Revolution matte lipstick in the shade Chauffeur. And now to lock everything in and to get rid of any excess powder and to completely mattify my face, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Lasting Fix Matte Finish Setting Spray. So now that you have made it here, please click on this tutorial because you know the drill. If you loved and enjoyed this beat, you're gonna absolutely love that one as well. And if you haven't already, my darling, please subscribe to my channel and show your girl some love. I will catch up with you beauties again in my next one. Bye.